ASMR. ASMR. What food you want?
Me?
Yes.
I want the ice cream and the
Ice cream
lollipop.
yummy.
Okay.
And
Ice
this
cream good?
one. With the
Hindi ka
with
nasimba, Luna?
with this one.
Ha?
This is pasta
Hindi ka
with
nasimba?
glasses. Okay.
Ha? Hindi ka nasimba?
Sisimba ko.
2 plates. We need 2 plates. What do you want? This one?
I want this plate.
See this.
And the ice cream. Where's the ice cream?
Ayan na.
I need 2 ice cream. I need 2 ice creams. With this cone.
There's no, it's empty.
How about this one?
Oh, sure. What plate you want? What food you want to put in this plate?
I want 3 of the ice creams.
Okay, sure. Wait lang. Lipat natin dito para cute. Eh, dito may last ba? So, may lalagyan pa tayo ng
I love tomatoes.
tomatoes. Here's food. Guys, if you want some comment here, we're going to do it, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget. Was Akira Gale to wait. Akira Gale. Vlog is the logo. Here's your food.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Welcome.
The tomato.
Tomato.
Mom, this is my baon.
No, just for lunch.
Okay, Mom.
Ay, alam ko na, yun na. Kunwari, gagawa ka sa school.
Kain ko muna to.
Okay, wait.
Ah!
That's your, wait, no, this is not your best, but this is your
Itong baon ko.
Okay, I'm going to prepare your,
I want 3 ice cream, Mom.
okay, I'm going to make your lunch cute.
Cute lunch.
Cute like it. Uy!
I'm gonna give... Oh, man. No, I want some...
Gagawin kong cute.
Where's my ice cream chewy? Where's the other one?
Ito.
Wait.
Ito for lunch mo. Wait lang. Ito for lunch mo.
Pizza, please.
Pizza. Okay, wait. Ito for recess.
And water.
Dad, I'm going
I want more ice cream.
Okay.
No more.
I'm not going to prepare your lunch. I'm going to prepare your lunch later because I will give you your lunch when it's lunch. Wait, you need help me.
Sure, Mom.
Broccoli and some donuts for dessert.
Corn. And I just need some ketchup for healthy.
For this one, right?
That's the
Pasta.
French fries.
Pasta?
French
Ito
fries?
yung French person. Ay,
Patata? Patata?
remove
Pata? Patata?
Miggy, wow! Here's your lunch.
Thank you, Mommy.
Bye.
Ikaw naman, teacher. Teka lang. Nakalat!
Hayaan mo na.
Tomato.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Kunyaman yung estudyante.
Today, get your notebook.
Pinatigas ka na?
Write this. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pass it to me. Okay, break time, not lunch. Okay, recess.
Yun na. Magkakasin ka na.
Here, somewhere the sila. Pating ka na yan, patingin.
What's that?
ASMR.
Ano what is SAMR?
Ako madami akong Robux.
Seven thirty, lilinis na tayo video.
Hilang mo nakailang sulat na si Miggy.
Hindi pa ako natapos yung sa mga.
ASMR. If you want food, go in the comment section. I will make something yummy. Later, I will show it to you when I'm done doing the cute. So cute. Ta-da! So cute. Look. Go in the comment section. That's all for today. Bye-bye.